wanted to design an effective ambient system, as a great ambience can really help the player to feel immersed in-game. To implement the ambience, I used a combination of a constant background loop and carefully placed trigger emitters around the level. To begin, I used a random container in Wwise, which consists of two ambience files. In the settings tab, I applied volume and pitch randomization. Finally, I checked the transition feature. I set the type to X-Fade amp and the duration to 0.5 seconds. This setup allows the two ambience files within the random container to crossfade seamlessly between each other, in turn creating a perfect background loop. I then set up various ambience emitters. For this example, I used the playlist container in Wwise. 5 frog croak samples are placed inside the playlist. I've also made use of the Wwise silence plugin. I set the silence duration and input the silence after each subsequent frog sample. This method allows for a pause in between sample playback in the playlist to give a more organic feeling. To add even more variation to this emitter, I used 3D positioning automation. This allowed me to create a list of different automated panning paths to help avoid repetition. In Unity, I scattered sphere collider triggers to cover the entire level. These triggers simply play back the Wwise event that is attached via a simple script when the player enters the collider. The script in question uses a function called OnTriggerEnter. At the start of the script, I declared a private bool statement that says isInCollider equals false. Then within the OnTriggerEnter function, I wrote a simple if statement that says if the object with the tag player enters the collider, then set the bool statement to be true and play the associated Wwise event.